What is the difference between a 120 and 240 hot tub for my purposes?
That's a great question, and we get that a lot here at the place when the people are starting their process of hot tub ownership. Do they simply just do a 120 volt plug and play, fill the hot tub up with water, and they're off and running? Or do they invest in having a 240 line ran, a dedicated service to that hot tub, and having it run? And most of our clients that we're going to suggest is going to be a 240 line. And the reason why we suggest that 240 line for people is because the energy efficiency and the fact that the product that they're purchasing will be able to be used in a manner it was intended to. And what I mean by that is a 240 volt hot tub has multiple pumps, has touchscreen controls, has water purification systems, has heaters, has lights, has a lot of functional features that are in that spa. And when you're sitting in it, and whether it's 0 degrees outside or 90 degrees outside, you're able to use that spa the way that it was intended to. With a 120 volt hot tub, one of the downfalls of that spa is that as you're using it and you turn the pumps on high, the heater disengages. So in the cooler months, that is going to add to the client's electric bill. It's also going to decrease usage for people because if the temperatures drop 10 degrees in that spa while they've used it, there now is going to be a pause point where, well, I don't want to go get in 90 degree water. I wanted to get in 100 degree water. And they're going to have to wait. So that 240 volt tub is going to be a lot more beneficial for our customers, for our clients, and the satisfaction of ownership that they have that spa, that it's going to work the way that it was intended to and the way they thought that it would.